If you want to disable two-factor authentication on Discord, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into Discord. Open the Discord app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open your user settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the User Settings menu, look for the Privacy and Safety tab on the left sidebar. Click on it and then find the Security section. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the Security section, you will see the option for two-factor authentication. Click on the Disable button next to it. You may be prompted to enter your authentication code for verification. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering the authentication code, confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. You should see a notification that the feature has been successfully turned off. Now you have successfully disabled two-factor authentication on your Discord account. Remember to keep your account secure with a strong password and other security measures.